Hi, and welcome back to the 8-Bit Retro Refix, and Merry Christmas for 2025. So, in this episode, what I'm going to be doing is building one of these Star Wars 1-up arcade cabinets. Now, I've wanted one of these for quite a long time, and you can see behind me that the Street Fighter 2 Championship Edition there. This is my Commodore unit. That's the only artwork in there. It is an original Commodore PCB that's in there, and I have got all the rest of the artwork to do. So if you'd like to see that project ongoing, drop us a comment and let me know if you'd like to see that. So yeah, so me being back as a singleton again at this time of year, I thought I would buy myself a present. So let's get it stripped down, go into a montage, let's get it built up, and let's see what this thing's all about. Alright, so I've changed my t-shirt into my Star Wars Christmas t-shirt, so you'll see that. So I'm just going to break the seals now and open these boxes up and see where we're at, so you can find the instructions. So let's crack on. So I just want to say a big shout out to pcbway, our channel sponsors, and on that note, let's take a look at what they do. And if you want to buy, they do a plethora of things in the shared projects site. So yeah, if you can pop along to pcbway, they are absolutely fantastic. They don't just do PCBs, they do PCB prototyping, assembly, flex rig, HD PCBs, CNC machining and 3D printing, and it is all pretty quick. So if you actually want to purchase something like this, it's as simple as adding it to cart, and then you can come down here and you can pick your different panel designs if you want, shapes, colours, quantity. You might as well change it to 10 because it doesn't change the price. So yeah, you can customise it as much as you like down there, and if you look over there, it's just $5. That's all it is. That's a bargain. That's a bargain. So let's get back to the video. So yeah, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? You see how lit up, marquees lit up, coin doors are lit up. Nice. It's a little bit short at the moment, but I'm going to build that riser off camera, and then we'll take a look at it all done and dusted. And you've got R2 squeaky when all needs to do your selections. Woohoo! So let me get that riser built, and then yeah, I'll show you it all done and dusted at the end of it. So yeah, look at that artwork from the bottom all the way to the top. Isn't that bloody beautiful? And of course, we've got the front there as well, panning up from the bottom right up to the marquee, and it looks stunning. So now I'm going to have to stick it and hide the artwork. Not that I really want to, but I just don't have the room. So here it is, look, here we are now with as Commodore unit and as Star Wars unit. Turn that down a little bit. You can see that Commodore one, that's just a proper CRT screen, that's all. Right, so here we are. This looks pretty good actually, from what I can see on my screen. So I'm going to try and attempt to play it. But first, what I want to show you is, if we go down to the options, which we should get R2 noise. So if I'm going to options, turn it up a little bit, you can see in the options there that we've got at the top, starting shields, we can have 9 or 6. We can change difficulty from easy to moderate to hard to hardest. We can have bonus shields 1, 2 or 3. Attract, music, and we've got vector glow. Now I've set this on bold because I quite like the look of bold. We do have standard, and we have none, we have sparkle, we have bright, but I like bold. We're not going to have reset scores, so we can save there. So another interesting thing is, when you go onto Return of the Jedi, we've got different options in here. We've got starting with 6 lives, so you can amend it. Bonus life at 30,000. Difficult and easy. Scan lines. Scan lines. What a difference that'll make on scan lines. So we're not going to reset high score, and that's okay in there. So you can see they've done quite a bit, and I like these options as well. I don't think this were on the original one-up. Let's have a look at Empire Strikes Back, see if there's something different in there. No, it's pretty much the same as what Star Wars one is in there. So let's have a look at Star Wars. I'm not going to play it a lot, I'm just going to have a little bit of a go. Mind you, it doesn't take long to get through, does it? So let's see if we can do it. We should be able to do it. It's on easy. So let's go. And then we'll take a look at the other two. Hold both trigger and thumb buttons for 5 seconds to exit back to menu. Oh, so that's a good do, isn't it? Woohoo!
The force will be with you.
Nice.
Red 5 standing by.
Let's go easy. Oh yeah! I quite like that bold vector glow. I don't think you'd be able to tell the difference. If I turned it off, it'd just be sharper in images. I am playing one-handed because I can't get around it. Oh, there you go.
Use the force, Luke.
Use the force, Luke.
Red 5 standing by.
Come on. Yahoo! Come on, where are you? Here we go. Go! And then around we go again. So we'll try this thumb button and trigger for 5 seconds, see if that works. Okay, so we're back at this menu. We shall try Empire Strikes Back and see what that looks like. I like that transition, it looks really good.
He could destroy us.
They could.
May the force be with you. There's a meteorite hit the ground near you.
Shoot the robots.
Force is with you.
Oh, I'm getting hammered.
That is the system, and I'm sure Skywalker is with me.
Are we through?
We've spotted Imperial walkers.
We are.
Over the lake, it's like your only chance of coming. The force is with you.
Oh, I've got 2 shields left. All tow cables gone. Uh-oh.
The shield doors must be closed. Prepare to make the Delta light speed. I want that ship, not you.
Nice.
The son of Skywalker.
Are we making it? I'm no Jedi. I'll just stay from 8-bit retro refix. And I got dumped in it. And I'm here. Whew.
Asteroid not concern me after all.
Oh. Whee. Uh-oh. One shield. We're gonna die. I don't want to die. Oh.
Oh, thank goodness we're coming out of the asteroid field.
Oh, thank God for that. Cheers, C-3PO.
He will join us.
So yeah, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Let's try the last game. So the last one is Return of the Jedi.
The security deflector shield will be deactivated when we have confirmation of your code transmission. Leave them to me. I will deal with them myself. Go for help. I see them. Wait for me.
Shot out yet, they've already died. I've got 5 lives though. I don't quite like them lines across the screen. You might not be able to see them, but I can. I'm crap at this. I was crap at it in arcades, to be honest. I never really played this one that much. Woohoo! Oh.
Wonderful. We are now.
Oh well, we made it. So yeah, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a really good Christmas. We shall see you in the new year on the next episode. And don't forget to check out the description for all the other YouTube retro repairers. It's in our Discord group. You're all welcome to come and join us in there. Come and say hello. It's Christmas. So the links will be down there for YouTube retro repairers, like I said. And there's Captain Commodore. There's Retro for You. And the Joseph Retro Base. There's Tim's Retro Corner. There's Retro Crazy. There's Mark Fixie's stuff. There's Lee from More Fixing It. He's all in our Discord as well. So please come along, and we'll see you in there. Until the next one. Bye!